not aiming at the pole. Make sure you're not aiming at the pole.
What are you talking about?
The pole in the middle.
I can't see it.
Yeah, just wait. Emmy, you gotta hold it. Here, I'll cover your eye. I'll cover your eye. You're holding it. Just aim for the head. Whenever you're ready, slightly pull the trigger. Damn, girl! Damn! You're so worried you couldn't fucking shoot. You just put the smack down on him. Damn! Oh, I'm so proud of you. Good job. Oh, what a shot.
I know, it killed him right away.
Oh, man. Oh, how's that feel? Was that exciting?
Good. Yeah.
Just smoked him, huh?
Okay.
Wow. Oh, and it's not even what time is it? Oh, yeah.
6:21.
It's only 6:21.
Go back to bed. Okay, I'm lost for words. I just shot my first turkey. This is our first sit out here. My third sit. We heard two come in, or we heard two gobble in, and then Emmett said, "Look to your right, one's coming in." So then I got ready. In less than 2 minutes, one was walking up.
Yeah, that's exciting. Yeah, okay, you're awesome. So today's April 25th, which is the last day of the second spring season here in Iowa for turkey hunting, and Emmy had a second season tag, so we made sure we could get in here today before our college classes. And just a great morning. The sunrise was absolutely beautiful. Turkeys were gobbling. Sun was out. Weather, it's that perfect temperature where it's not too hot and it's not too cold. And just everything came together, and he came out at 6:20. I mean, you can't ask for a better morning than that. But man, she just put the smack down on her first turkey. And if you aren't excited, I am.
I'm excited.
You're excited, yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't think it'll be our last one, or at least I don't think so. I don't think this will be our last one. But man, what a morning! What a morning! So we got some turkey jerky and
Turkey for Thanksgiving.
yeah, I guess so. But I'm just kind of lost for words. I don't know about you.
I am too. I'm shocked.
Yeah.
I feel like I can't even talk or anything. I'm shocked.
These are the mornings that you live for, man. These are the mornings that you. These are the mornings that make it worth it. This is the mornings that make getting up 3 o'clock every day for multiple days until you finally feel your tag worth it. You have anything else you want to say?
I'm excited.
Excited? So what'd you think of the gun? Did you feel it kick?
A little, not really, no.
Yeah, that's what I told you. She was all worried that it was going to kick. Wow.
Yeah.
What a
It's
morning,
exciting.
Emmy. What a morning. Wow, look at that thing, huh?
Wow.
Look at him. Look at that.
Oh my god, he's heavy.
Oh yeah, he is. Look at him. Wow.
Wow, look at him. Oh, look at his beard.
Go.
Wanna hold him?
That's a big beard.
Hold him, he's heavy.
Look at the spurs on this thing, man. This is a good job.
Beard.
Oh yeah. Beard, that's a big beard. Wow. That's a good turkey right there. That's a hell of a first turkey. My first turkey was a jig, but man, it took me a while to get one of these bad boys. What a big morning. That's a great turkey. I'm proud of you. Oh man.
Couldn't have done it without you.
We'll see if we can.
Well, this is our third sit. It was about 6:20. The sun just came up, and we heard 2 gobbles, and then we kind of heard something walking, and then we heard the drumming, and that's when we got ready. It was like 30 seconds later. It was up here messing with the decoys.
Man, and then you just put the smack down, eh?
Yeah.
This morning, we had a couple gobbling, and there was one pretty close, and he wasn't really responding to calls. And I was just trying to let him know that we're here, and all of a sudden, I just heard drumming behind us, and got Emmy ready, and lo and behold, here comes this big old Tom, and even though Emmy said that Emmy was worried all week that she wasn't going to be able to shoot him, but she put the smack down on this big bird. This is exciting. Wow. That's your first turkey harvest, and
Yeah.
yeah, she just got her hunting license like, what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? So this is exciting. I guess it's, I wouldn't call it beginner's luck because it's your third sit, but it's a nice bird, and this is definitely one you're going to be happy with. I know.
And perk up this close too.
I know, it's a great turkey, Big Tom. And it was funny because he was pretty quiet this morning, and out of nowhere, you just heard drumming behind us, and I guess that's just how it works, you know? Guess it's time to pack up now.
Yep.
So,